Hello, my name is Rachel Fisher. This is a tutorial on how to use EBSCO's business databases to efficiently research companies and industries for case studies. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the many features that will allow you to limit your search results. If you have not done so already, make sure that you create a personal account with EBSCO so that you can save articles to your personal files without them disappearing after you stop using the database. Click on Sign In at the top of the screen and create a new account. Now I am going to demonstrate some advanced search features. Using the advanced search features is very helpful when researching an industry or the external environment of a company. At the top of the screen, the search box can limit your search with the Boolean operators and, or not. For example, if you are interested in learning about supply chain management related to grocery stores, you can search for grocery industry as a subject term and supply chain management as a subject term. This will provide you with a list of 37 articles. However, if you search for grocery industry with the Boolean operator or supply chain management, that will increase your results to 29,574 articles. Using the Not feature can limit your search. For example, if you want to search for articles just on organic food, you can search for grocery industry and organic food, not conventional food. This will remove any articles from your search results that have the subject term of conventional food. You should spend time familiarizing yourself with the ways to refine your search on the left-hand side of the screen. It is best to select full text and limit your date range to with the current time period of about 10 years. Limiting the publication type can be helpful when your assignment requires you to search for a specific publication type, such as an academic journal or trade publication. I really like to refine the search by also choosing specific subjects. For example, I'm going to search for supply chain management. Again, to expand my search. EBSCO's list of subjects can help you to limit the search by keywords that you had not thought of yet. Just click on the subject, select Show More, and you'll have quite a long list to choose from. So here I'm going to limit my search by choosing economic aspects and get a list of 134 results. Refining the search by language, geography, and industry are also very helpful. For example, I'm going to make sure I limit my results to English and choose the United States. And then select the specialized freight, trucking, and local industry. And this will give me a list of 27 results. So now I'm going to select this article on supply chain and logistics. On the right-hand side, you will be able to see EBSCO's database tools. You can add the item to a folder print, or email it. Pressing Cite will show you how to properly format a bibliographic reference in multiple formats for your report. This article is available just as a PDF file for you to download. If you do not think you want to read this article, the subject headings on this page may be useful to expand your search. For example, you can select Transportation Management System to find articles that also have this subject heading. You can also select an NAICS code on this page for articles that are linked to the same code. This is the North American Industry Classification System code, which is used by the government for classifying businesses. Once you have chosen a specific company to research, the next thing you should do is to search for the MarketLine Company Report. MarketLine has published reports on publicly traded companies around the world. These reports contain a description of the business, an overview of the company, history, biographies of key employees, information on products and services, an analysis of revenue, a SWOT analysis, and an excerpt from the annual report. To easily find this report, click on More at the top of the screen, and then select Company Profiles. So in the search box, you can type the name of the company that you are searching for in the text box. Today, I'm going to use Whole Foods Market as an example. Here, you can download the PDF file by clicking on the link. On this screen, you can also click on the link for the company name. And on the left-hand side, you can select a link that will help you search for related articles by publication type. When searching for information on companies and industries, trade publications can be particularly useful. By clicking on Trade Publication, the search displays articles about Whole Foods Market in publications like The Progressive Grocer. These are publications that interest industry leaders and are related to the management of the industry. On the left-hand side, you can choose other publication types. For example, a search for Whole Foods Market in academic journals will bring up a smaller list of articles, but these articles are related to subjects like business law and mergers acquisitions. Selecting news will provide you with results from business newspapers. These articles are typically about subjects like a company's financial news, sales, news services, and job cuts. If you have identified a specific publication that you like, you can select to just search within a single publication. At the top of the screen, select Publications. You can choose Business Source Premier for academic journals and trade publications, or regional business news for newspapers. I prefer to use Business Source Premier. Then you can type the name of the publication into the text box. I'm going to use Progressive Grocer as an example. Select the name. And then on this page, you can select to search within the whole publication by clicking on this link to search all years of the publication. Or you can select a specific issue to read on the right-hand side. By selecting this issue, you can read all articles that were published in that issue and use the search box to search just within the one issue. Now that you have become more familiar with the ways to refine your search in EBSCO's business databases, you should be able to spend less time searching for the relevant articles and more time writing your reports.